Good, y'all, it's the Maverick and I'm back with another episode of Shoe Talk. And today, as you can see by the box, we have the other Travis Scott that dropped yesterday, May 29th. We have the Shy Pink Travis Scott lows. Now, before we get into this video, you know we gotta shout out some shoes, of course. The other shoe that came out with it, the Tropical Pink, we have this video out, so make sure y'all go check that out right after you watch this video if you haven't done so already. We've completed the pink pack, the Travis Scott pink pack. I'm super excited to be able to go over this shoe. I know I told y'all in the last video that I may not be able to get it, but fortunately, thank you to Sneaker Politics, we were able to grab this one as well. Still on the road to 10K subscribers, so make sure y'all keep subscribing. Again, we appreciate all the continual support. Now let's get into this review. All right. The size tag reads Muslin Shy Pink and Sale. Same box as the other one, same colors. I'm gonna show y'all these in a second. It comes wrapped like this, same paper. These also come double wrapped as well. Now, before we get started, I will say that these were the original laces that came on the shoe. We just swapped it out for the pink to show the on foot. All right, so now let's show the on foot.
Never sin, never broke, never bumming. If you tricking on the slut, you a dummy. I be grinding through the night till it's sunny. Yeah, I got sad when my paw died. Real stones on my neck, got their jaws wide. I'ma get off everything till it ain't none. If it boil down to it, I'ma pay one. Yeah, I'm not a Lisa, I'm a owner. Yeah, I'm always giving, I'm a donor. Yeah, I think they sleep melatonin. Yeah, you ever try me, he a goner. Yeah, so you love me, but it ain't real. How you making drill?
This is the shoe. As you can tell, there's some differences for sure. We have that muslin color, muslin leather all over the shoe. You see the toe box here, side of the shoe, the back of the shoe as well. The sock lining is muslin as well. Then we have this Shy Pink on the back, Air Jordan wing. We have the Cactus Jack here on the inner side of the shoe. We have the reverse swoosh, Shy Pink swoosh. On the tongue, we have Cactus Jack here again, and then we have Nike Air in that Shy Pink. On the inside, we have Travis Scott, kind of the same details as the Tropical Pink. The colors are different, but the symbols and graphics are the same. Let's go to the other one. So the heel is different on these as well. Got the wing, then we got the Travis Scott symbol. Got the Cactus Jack on the inner side as well. Muslin, leather, the Shy Pink swoosh. Laces, again, we swapped the laces out, so these are the extra laces that it comes with. The tongue, then this shoe, Shy Pink, and then white, or maybe muslin, sorry, not white. On the inside, same graphics as the Tropical Pink. Again, these did release May 29th, men's sizes. Oh, then they also have the heart on the tongue, on the left shoe. These did drop May 29th with the Tropical Pinks for the retail price of $155. Most people are not going to get it for retail. These are more limited than the Tropical Pink, so these will probably be more valuable in the long run. My takeaway from both shoes is I do really love both of them. I wish I was able to get both of them in my size, but I wasn't able to get them. I'm just happy to get my size because it's hard. These would be my favorite because I feel like it just pops out more. I like the colors. This one I do like. I like that muslin color. I don't know which one. I don't know. I think I'm gonna go these number 1 and then these number 2. But super dope shoes. I love them. I like the laces, colors, everything about it. This pretty much wraps up the review. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. Again, this is the Shy Pink Travis Scott Air Jordan 1 Low. Thank y'all for watching. Peace.
When you beat the body in the studio, they say my style is original. I'm getting money upgraded from a criminal. Had to take my lick, watch me do my dab, hit a voicemail.